Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today I am going to show you on how to convert your PDF to a PowerPoint using AI, and we are going to beautify our PowerPoint using AI as well. So first, you have to make sure that when you open a PDF, you will use your Microsoft Edge so you could be able to use this AI generated guide. Now here, you just have to copy the title of the PDF. So here at the bottom, I type out read the PDF open titled The Crucial Rule of the Tree Planting and Environmental Conservation and create a detailed text summaries from it for a 7 slided PowerPoint. Then the Microsoft Edge will do its work. It's going to create for the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and for the slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, and slide 7. Okay, now that you have done that, you will then just have to copy everything that is in here. So including the slide 1 until the very end. You then just have to copy. And after that, you just have to go to your Word. And then here, let's create another file and paste the information that we have copied from our Microsoft Edge. Okay, so for the heading 1, we are going to use this introduction. So let's change this to heading 1 and erase the slide 1 since we don't need that anymore. It's just a guide. And for the body of the introduction, let's just change this to heading 2. And for the slide 2, let's delete the slide 2 words and then change this to heading 1 and the body change to heading 2 as well. And make sure to put enough space for the next slide. So just do the same, delete the slide 3 and then make this to heading 1 and then the body change to heading 2, as well as the slide 4. You then just have to delete this one, highlight this and click on the heading 1 and highlight the body and click on the heading 2. For the slide 5, you just have to delete the slide 5 words and then select this heading 1 and the body, click on heading 2. For the slide 6, delete the slide 6 and then highlight the body, I mean the first one, and click on heading 1, then highlight the body and click on heading 2. For the slide 7, you just have to delete the slide 7 words and then click on the conclusion and click on heading 1 as well as the body and then click on heading 2. After doing so, you just have to save this file. So you just click on file and then click on save as and then save the file. Okay, so after doing so, just click on save. And now let's go to the PowerPoint application. So let's close this one first. Okay, and then click on don't save because we don't need it anymore. So just open the PowerPoint and create a new blank presentation. Here at the top, you just have to click on the new slide and select the slides from outline. And then select the file that we have created using the Word application. So here it is. The title is introduction and click on insert. Just have to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, okay, let's fix this first slide. So let's delete the slide 1. So just click on cut. And the introduction, let's put it in the second slide. So just have to copy the word introduction. And then after that, just have to paste it here in the second slide. And then remove the slide 1. And finally, we have 7 slides for our PowerPoint presentation. So now that we're done creating our slide, we have to beautify this one. We can edit it or add your own details. So you can do this manually or you can use an AI tool. So I will be using the Gamma app. This is an online AI tool that we can use to beautify our PowerPoint. So just have to go to your web browser and then type out Gamma app and then let's save the PowerPoint that we have created. So save as. So just choose your file location. And then after doing so, you just have to click on the save button. And let's go to the Gamma application. Okay, this one. And then select the create new AI. And then click on generate. Now here, you just have to describe what you'd like to make, okay, for your presentation. But you can also use the other one. So let's go back to the main page of this online application and then select the paste in text. I'd recommend you use this one. Okay, this is just a free one. So just click on the import files and then click on upload a file to browse your files from your PC or your laptop. So let's just locate the file or the PowerPoint that we have created. Click on it and then click on open. So just wait for a few seconds until the import process is complete. Okay, this will take a few seconds, so you just have to be patient. Now click on continue. To configure your prompt, you just have to wait for a few seconds again. And then here, you can see now the 7 slides. Now to beautify it, you just have to click on the continue. And then here, you just have to select the background or the theme that you want to use for your PowerPoint presentation. So for me, I will be using this one. I think this is the best background since I'm talking about the environment. So you just have to click on it and then click on generate. Now you just have to wait for a few seconds again. And after that, the AI will do its job to create a PowerPoint presentation with backgrounds and, of course, the text, the font. All we have to do is to wait until the process is complete. You can see for the slide 2, for the slide 3, we have a background about trees. So basically, this online tool is the best one to use, especially during the time when you have to finish something on time or you're running late of making your PowerPoint presentation. So you can just create your Gamma app account and you'll be able to use this feature. So you can change the background here manually or change the pictures that the AI use. After that, just have to click on the present to see your final output. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.